Hello, this is Kevin. I have a Hobbyking order here. 20066725515. I purchased two LiPo USB charging adapters. I have one of them is defective. This is the battery that I'm using to power it with right now. It's a 4 amp hour 2-cell. I have a EC5 adapter. Okay. I purchased two of these. This one works, this one does not. Just have to demonstrate. So this one, plug this in and hook up my phone. You can hear the phone turn on and it says connect memory card. And disconnect it. Obviously the light turns off. Actually, let me do all of that in the camera if possible. On, off. Okay, I will take this one out. Get this one here. Plug it in. Plug in this. Nothing. Disconnect. Plug in. Nothing. It's hooked up. Here. It's not outputting any power. Nothing at all. So one is defective. It's actually the first product I've had from Hobbyking that is defective, so kind of odd, but it happens. Alright, thank you. Bye.